Hi everyone and welcome to Nikki's channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to make these simple and delicious coconut rice balls. So let's get started. In a bowl you'll need 2 cups of sweet rice. Then add in half a cup of jasmine rice. Then we'll need to wash the rice. Repeat this process 2 or 3 times until the water runs clear and then drain and set it aside. Now add your rice to the rice pot and add in 2 cups of cold water. I'll be using the Cuckoo rice cooker for this recipe. Add half a cup of shredded coconut. Then add in 2 drops of the pandan extract. Or you can substitute this with green food coloring. And keep in mind, you can always use any color of your choice. It doesn't have to be green. Please subscribe to my channel for the latest updates and videos. Now let's cook our rice. So on my Cuckoo rice cooker, I always set it to glutinous rice and double click to set it on turbo, and this will speed up the cooking process. Let's blend 1 cup of roasted peanuts. You want your peanuts to be blended fine and not pasty. Then transfer the peanuts to a bowl and set it aside. In a bowl, add in 1 cup of shredded coconut. Then add in 1 tablespoon of salt. Then gradually add 1/3 of a cup of sugar. Then add your peanuts to the bowl. Then combine all the dry ingredients together. Look how nice the rice turned out. Just transfer the rice to a mixing bowl. I've seen a lot of videos where people just steam their rice, but with this Cuckoo rice cooker, all you have to do is just cook it as regular rice. The quickest way to cool down rice is to make a hole in the center of the bowl, just like this. Once your rice is slightly warm, add in your dry ingredients. Then combine everything well. I'll be using an ice cream scooper to make my rice balls. Cover your rice balls with shredded coconut, just like this. Then place the coconut rice balls onto a cupcake holder. And here you have a simple and easy recipe using just a rice cooker. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel and give me a big thumbs up. Bye for now, see you next time.